Hi everyone, this is Komal and I'm here to introduce my mentee Perry. She's an 8th grader at Castilleja and it was so wonderful to work with her over the past few months. This is my first time mentoring full-time for a full session at Magic, and it was a great experience. And I think the best thing about the entire experience was the fact that Perry has from the day one been very self-motivated, from deciding what the topic for her website should be to coming up with ideas for new features. And she was always the one who used to push me to add new features, and like even until the last week she was adding more features to her website. So kudos to her to want to learn so many new technologies in such less time. And now over to Perry for her wonderful presentation. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Perry. I'm in 8th grade at Castilleja. So my mentor is named Komal. She works at Microsoft in Redmond, Washington, and is a software engineer and designs infrastructure in for AI and ML at scale. She is from the western part of India and likes reading and meeting new people. I really enjoyed working with Komal because she was teaching me things every week. My project is called Run, Run, Run. I love to run, and I wanted to share it with others. And so I made pages to help make running easier. So I made a set goals page and a plan runs page. I wanted to make a website because I wanted my project to be accessible for lots of people. So I learned HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, and SQL. So some highlights from Magic were learning more about HTML and CSS and figuring out new and fun ways to accomplish my project. Some lessons I learned were stay patient, and if you can't figure out how to get something done, work on something else and then come back to it with a fresh perspective. My biggest challenge was making sign up and login pages because each week something new went wrong. And so it took over a month in total to make the pages. So some future enhancements would be a map runs page to track the distance of different runs. And on the set goals page, there's a little runner icon, and I would want to make that a GIF. I would want to make the Google Calendar on the plan runs page a personal as well as a group Google Calendar. And also I would host the website on a remote server instead of localhost to make it available all the time. So this is my home page. This is my set goals page. This is my plan runs page. And this is my sign up page. So this is my video. So this is the sign up page. And as you can see, I've put in all my credentials. And if you're already a member, you can press sign up below in that little link. So this is the home page. It tells you what my website is about and why I decided to make it. This is the set goals page. So you can write in any running related goals you have, and there's 6 goals. So when you reach a goal, you press first goal reach, second goal reach, buttons, etc. And once you've reached all your goals, you go to the final goals reached, and there's some confetti to celebrate your work. On the plan runs page, there's a Google Calendar embedded in the page, and there are instructions on how to add this calendar into your own computer, and users on the website can add group runs or events for everyone to see. The last page is the About Me page. It describes who I am, why I love to run, and why I decided to make this website. Thank you.